once more give you a fearless performance from Kedibon.
Kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can take my breath away. Would you dance if I asked you to dance? Would you? Would you cry if you saw me cry? Would you stay my soul tonight? I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away your pain. I will stand by you forever. You can't take my breath away, but you do me. How I lost my mind. You can't cure me tonight. I can be your hero, baby. I can kiss away your pain. I will stand by you forever. You can't take my breath away. You can't take my breath away.
Thank you very much, Kedibon. At judges, ang pangalan ng babanggitin ninyo ay ang pangalan na gusto nyong umuwi na ngayong gabi. Judge Martin.
Judge Martin, before I say anything and I make my decision, I want everyone to know in front of us right now are people searching for a dream. How do you weigh a dream? There's a person smaller in number and in size who has gone through so much hate. I admire you, Kedibon. You're my hero. Your fans will be with you to the day you die. Don't ever lose your spirit. If there's anyone here tonight who's gonna send you home, I'm gonna bring you home. Kedibon, it's time to go home, boy.
That was a very brave decision, Judge Martin. Congratulations! Daddy's home! Kayo ang bumuo sa Final 5 at kasama pa rin ang Daddy's home sa pag-perform next week live. So samahan mo muna ang ibang finalists. Daddy's home. You are safe and will be performing in next week's live shows. Anything you would want to say?
Again, I'd like to thank all the supporters, our families, for the prayers, and sa lahat. Sobrang hindi namin akalain na aabot kami sa stage.
Alright. We will be seeing you next week. Daddy's home. Please join the Final 5 backstage. Kedibon? Kedibon, anong gusto mong sabihin or meron ka bang gustong pasalamatan ngayon na your judge will be sending you home tonight?
First of all, I want to thank my God na top 6 grabe din kung maniwala. Sobrang put ko na natin sa possible talaga. Tapos,
binaboto niyo ako till the end of time. Tapos, Daddy, thank you so much. Thanks so much. Maraming salamat sa mga ginagawa mo sa akin. Sobrang blessed ako na kilala kita. Noon, pinapanood kita sa TV ngayon. Nandito na ako sa loob sa TV.
Sa loob ng TV. Judge Martin, this has been a very long journey for you. Marami kayong pinagdaanan ni Ken Debon. As you said, marami na rin napagdaanan sa showbiz itong si Ken Debon. Di ba? Nakatikim ka na rin ng konting showbiz life. What do you want to say kay Ken Debon ngayon na you have sent him home today? That was a very brave decision on your part.
Ken Debon, ang dami kong fans dito. Everybody loves you. And to all those who now consider themselves bashers and haters, you survived all of them. And to all of you who did the bashing and hating, shame on you. Here stands a champion, my hero, Ken Debon.
A round of applause for Ken Debon. Ken Debon, marami kang napasaya dito sa Pagcor, sa Pilipinas, at lahat ng mga Pilipino sa buong mundong nanood sa'yo. At dahil mamimiss ka namin dito sa X Factor, Ken Debon, smile naman dyan, yung maganda mong smile. This is for you, Ken Debon, watch this.
Sumali po ako sa X Factor kasi gusto kong ipakita yung talent na bigay sa ginagawa. Pagpasok ko na sa stage, kasi expect ko na lang na magiging no ito kasi hinahanap naman siya kung macho pa lang sa aking beat. First time ko pumunta sa Manila, ang ganda pala ng Manila. Nang pumunta kami sa Judge's house, alaman ng suko. Sabihin, dito na lang magtatapos. Pero marami din akong nababang na magiging na experience ito sa X Factor. Nakilala ko yung mga kasama ko, si Mr. M, si Daddy Martin. X Factor, marami. Boys, kasi yung si Daddy, malinis mo ako.
Salamat, Ken Debon, at dahil naging part ka ng X Factor Philippines, we all love you. Ken Debon, ang dami mong napasaya talaga. Grabe, mamiss namin ang comedy mo dito sa X Factor Philippines. But as for the final